You see me. Yes, baby. I am now the official brand ambassador for Hemp&Fork Hemp Hearts Hemp Seeds. So listen, this is a Black-owned company, so you know your girl had to come through and show so much love. So listen, I will be giving away product not only on my Instagram with trivia, but also in Clubhouse. If you follow me on Clubhouse, I have a daily meditation from 10 a.m. EST to 10:30 EST every single morning. And also Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, we do a room for the Black Vegan Link Up. And Hemp Forks is sponsored. So every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday at 9 p.m., make sure you peek in the room so you can be a part of the trivia. But listen, I'm super excited to be a brand ambassador for this Black-owned company. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and make sure you stay tuned for more because I'm going to be giving... I can't have all this. Some of this for y'all. So tune in so you can get some, baby.